Today, I'll walk you through how to merge tables into one calendar using Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a unified calendar so you can streamline your scheduling and enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your Notion application. If you're not familiar with Notion, think of it as a digital workspace where you can organize your notes, tasks, and projects all in one place. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Notion updates frequently, and the core functions remain the same. Once you're in Notion, the next step is to create a blank page. You can do this by clicking on the Add a Page button. This is similar to starting with a clean slate in a notebook, allowing you to customize your calendar without any distractions. Now that you have a new page, it's time to give it a name. Click on the title area and type in a name that reflects the purpose of your calendar. This could be something like Personal Calendar or Project Timeline. Naming your page helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easier to find later. Next, we will add a calendar view to this page. On the body of the page, type /calendar, or simply type /calendar and select the calendar view option from the drop-down menu. A calendar will be added to your page, providing you with a visual layout for your tasks and events. Think of this as laying the foundation for your scheduling system. Now, let's bring in your existing projects and tables. Look to the left pane of your Notion workspace, where your tables and projects are listed. You can simply drag and drop these items into your newly created calendar. This step is crucial as it merges your various tables into one cohesive calendar, making it easier to track everything in one place. Lastly, you can customize your calendar and tasks to better fit your needs. Click on any task or event within the calendar to modify its details. This could include changing the date, adding notes, or adjusting the time. Personalizing your calendar ensures that it works for you, much like tailoring a suit for the perfect fit. And there you have it. You've successfully merged tables into one calendar in Notion. This process not only helps you stay organized, but also enhances your ability to manage your time effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.